Did you start recording?
Yeah.
Okay. What does Pearl look like in the camera? Can you even see her feet or something?
Her tail is
Welcome to my channel, fellow crafters. My name is Corey, and this little one is my fur baby. Pearl, come here, pup. Say hi, Pearl. And this is my second fur baby, Mr. Bean Bean. Crafting for me has always been a really good way to relieve stress and have some fun. I'm sure many of you have tons of crafting ideas, and I can't wait to share mine with you. My channel will mainly focus on crocheting, but I will have various other crafting projects. I also plan on having some more beginner-friendly and then some more advanced crafting step-by-step videos. I'm going to try and upload every few weeks. I'll do my best. And my first project for the channel is beginner-friendly. It's this super cute cat coaster. So if you're interested in learning how to crochet, please check out my next video. And with that, let's get crafting.